In this video, I'm going to show you how to zoom in Reaper. So there's two zooms you can do. First one is the horizontal and the second one is the vertical. If you want to do a horizontal zoom, it's super simple. You simply want to use your mouse wheel. So if you scroll up like this, it's going to zoom in. But if you scroll down, it's going to zoom out like that, okay? Then of course you can navigate around your timeline using this slider at the bottom and this one over here on the right as well to go up and down, okay? So this is if you use the scroll wheel without any other key on your keyboard. But if you want to go and zoom vertically, so a vertical zoom, that's going to change your track height. You want to hold down your control key on your keyboard, and then you want to either scroll up to, of course, zoom in and make these tracks bigger, or scroll down and it's going to make them smaller, okay? So those are the options you have when it comes to zooming. You can then use a combo of these to zoom whatever you want. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.